Hello everyone. In a world of million internet services, free trials and paid subscriptions have become a way of life. However, many of those who are busy often forget to cancel their subscription soon after they've stopped using those services. And they just end up losing money. This is especially true when people are using multiple email addresses for these subscriptions and it gets difficult for them to track everything in a single place easily. We want to solve this problem using SUBtracktion. SUBtracktion will list and track multiple subscriptions in a single place and even sends a notification for upcoming free trial expiration. The user experience is guaranteed to make users a lot more aware of unnecessary charges they are about to incur. In other words, we think SUBtracktion will save money. For our first iteration, SUBtracktion will be a browser extension. In future, this solution will be offered as a mobile app as well. Our solution is for people who have subscribed to a lot of services on the internet, many of which happen to be paid from the get-go or start with a free trial. As we all know, these services always tend to ask for credit card details to automatically charge the user once the trial expires. Our MVP is targeted specifically at users who seem to be financially stretched thin. For instance, we're talking about a college student who has a part-time job. A subset of these users even tend to have multiple email addresses to have multiple subscriptions to the same service and different services as well. With customer acquisition being forefront, our goal for the alpha release of SUBtracktion is to handpick users from our friends and their extended circles. We even plan to promote our product through SEO for our landing page, both in Google search and in social media. This landing page is where users will be asked to sign up prior to the beta release of SUBtracktion. Now, here is why we think our product will be a success. There are too many online services today that lure customers with free trials. These have especially grown a lot during the pandemic. And based on user surveys, we determined a strong demand for something that can help dealing with unmonitored charges racked up by all these services. People want to try many services, but they're not necessarily willing to stick with every single of them for a long run. Next big question is how we're going to make money. While our alpha and the beta versions intend to be free, we are planning on charging our users for premium feature. For example, auto cancel, where SUBtracktion can automatically cancel your subscription right before the free trial ends. Another premium feature would be tracking any subscription and not just limit them for the free trials. As validated through our user survey, we think $5 per month would be a great price point for our premium users. And definitely we would be looking at adding ad support for our free version after the beta release. As you can guess, we will prefer ad for our free trials. Bringing SUBtracktion to the market will first require building a Chrome browser extension along with a full stack backend. And for that, a couple of full stack developers should be ideal for building out the MVP. SUBtracktion will not require any customer training, but having good documentation for the user will take us a long way. At this point, we think the biggest maintenance item for this product will be constant quest to cover as many free trials as possible on the internet. We will start with a few well-known subscriptions like Hulu, Amazon, Coursera, but we'll have to keep expanding this list. And we are even aware that scaling of the service is going to be critical once we gain more customers and support more free trials. Also, given that we are going to be dealing with customers' data, maybe even their payment information, we will have some maintenance cost for the purpose of compliance and security. Finally, as a company that offers a marketing data platform, SUBtracktion will provide valuable insight into the trends of cancellations of the subscriptions. In turn, This platform can become more useful for our clients who wants to understand their competition better. In other words, subtraction will be a great addition to a company, completely pun intended. Thank you so much for the valuable time.